Hi guys, welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. So for today's video, I'm gonna be showing you 2 easy recipes that you will surely love. So the first recipe that I'm gonna be showing you is grilled liempo. And for this recipe, we only need 2 ingredients. One is liempo and one is our very secret ingredient. And it is... Dun, 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 dun. Yes, sinigang mix. We only need our liempo and sinigang mix. So, let's get started. So what we're gonna do is just sprinkle our Mama Sita mix to our pork belly hanggang makot na siya. And we're gonna do front and back. So, yan. Baliktarin lang natin. And you don't have to marinate this for a long time. Maybe half an hour is fine or even 20 minutes. Just para mag-soak in lang yung flavor nung mix sa ating liempo. Ayan. Okay. Ito na yung ating pork belly with our sinigang mix marinade. So we'll set this aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. And then we can grill it. You can grill it using your charcoal barbecue sa labas if the weather is good. Or you can also use an indoor grill. Okay, so we'll set this aside and we'll come back. Okay guys, so ito na yung ating liempo. We're gonna do indoor grilling today. So naglagay lang ako ng konting oil in our pan. And then, ayan, nilagay ko na yung ating liempo. And then, I'll check back with you again to see kung naluto na natin. Okay, so babalik na rin na natin yung ating pork belly para even yung sides natin na pagkaluto. So what I usually do is pinabaliktad ko siya back and forth hanggang maging even yung pagluto on both sides. Then, we'll check back again soon. Okay, guys. So, ito na yung ating pork belly. Ayan. Okay na yung pagkaluto niya on both sides. Ayan. So, I'll just cut this up and then, papakita ko na siya sa inyo and then tikiman time. For our second recipe, I'll be showing you how to cook my version of pancit. So, my pancit, I use pork belly instead of chicken. But you can also use chicken or yung mga fish balls, whatever you guys like. It's all up to you. I'm just gonna be showing you my own version. So, for this recipe, the ingredients that we need are, we're gonna be using cooking oil, garlic, onions, pork belly, magic sarap, pepper. We're gonna be using some veggies. We have cabbage, carrots, green beans, and celery. And then for our sauces, we'll be using dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, toyomansi, fish sauce, and then for our pancit, I'm gonna be mixing the Canton and Bihon for this recipe. So let's get started. Okay, I have a pan here with some water, and what I'll do is magpapakuluan ko yung 2 pieces ng pork belly until lumambot siya. Lalagyan ko siya ng salt. And then, pag malambot na yung pork belly natin, gagamitin natin yung stock ng water na to para pakuluan yung ating noodles. Okay, so for our pancit, we need a big pan to cook it with. Kasi pagsasama-samahin natin lahat ng mga ingredients dito. So, to start, nahit ko na yung ating pan. Put a little bit of oil. And then, I'll put in our pork belly. So, yan. Ihahalo lang natin. Para mag-sweat yung fat from the pork belly. So, para magpo-produce din yun ng flavor sa ating pancit. Okay, so ihalo lang natin hanggang mag-brown siya ng konti. Okay, so okay na yung ating pork belly. Ingat lang tayo, tumatalsik yung mantika. So, tabi lang natin siya. And then, we'll put in our onions. Ayan. Then, ihalo natin sa pork belly natin. Okay, hanggang mag-translucent lang yung ating onion. Next, we'll add our garlic. And we have to continuously stir it para hindi masunog yung ating garlic. And then, pag nahalo na natin yung garlic, we can put a little bit of fish sauce or patis kasi ito yung ginagawa kong panlasa para sa ating meat. Okay, so once okay na, pwede na nating i-add yung ating carrots. Yung mga matitigas muna. So, carrots, yung ating green beans, and celery. Ihuhuli natin yung ating cabbage. Okay. Halo lang. Okay, and then we'll put in our cabbage. Yan. Haluin lang uli natin. Okay, pag nahalo na natin, ilalagay na natin yung ating magic sarap. And then, again, halo lang. So guys, hindi naman mahirap gawin ang pancit. Ang matrabaho lang talaga is yung pag-cut ng ating mga ingredients. Kaya, usually, here, abroad, yung carrots natin, meron na siyang pre-cut na parang julienne style na carrots. And yun na yung binibili ko para makasave ng time sa pag-cut ng mga ingredients. So, ayan. We don't wanna overcook it. So, we'll just put this aside. And then, I'll cook the noodles separately. And then, we'll come back to this. Here is our stock. Dito natin pinakulo yung ating pork belly. So, gagamitin natin tong stock na to cook our noodles. So, sa stock na yan, magdadagdag tayo ng toyomansi. Yan. Mga dalawang ganito. Then, hahaluin lang natin. And then, lulutuin ko muna yung canton noodles. So, here is our canton noodles. So, ikukook lang natin siya, parang half cook, kasi lulutuin pa rin natin siya kasama yung ating mga gulay. So, we'll just wait maybe 2 minutes. And then, ite-transfer ko siya with our veggies and pork belly. And then, I will use the same stock to cook our bihon noodles naman. Okay, okay na yung ating canton noodles. So, I'll just strain it. And then, after this, I'll cook the bihon noodles naman. Okay guys, so ito naman yung ating bihon. So, intayin lang natin ulit na makook siya. Mga 1 to 2 minutes, half cook. Tapos, i-strain ko lang siya ulit at ihahalo natin siya sa ating mixture. Okay, so napagsama-sama ko na yung ating canton, yung ating bihon, and then yung ating veggie at pork belly. So, hahaluin ko lang siya hanggang maging well incorporated na siya. And then, we'll add in our sauces. So, ayan, napaghalo-halo na natin siya. So, lalagyan ko siya ng dark soy sauce for color and for flavor. So again, the ingredients and measurements and procedures will be listed on the description box below. Okay guys, for extra flavor, maglalagay lang ako ng konting oyster sauce. Ayan. Not too much. Kailangan tikman-tikman nyo din habang niluluto nyo siya para hindi siya mapaalat. And then, naglalagay ako ng pepper na din to balance it out. And then, halo lang uli natin. So, guys, ito na yung ating pancit. Ready na siya to be served. So, titikman na natin siya soon. And we'll be right back. Okay, guys. Here is the portion that we are all waiting for. So, titikman na natin ang ating pancit and ang ating liempo. Okay? So, unahin muna natin ang liempo. Okay? So, just take one. And then, sausaw natin siya sa suka. Sorry guys. Super sarap niya talaga. Panalo. With rice. Ngayon naman, tikman natin ang ating pancit. And since we don't have calamansi, so bumibili kami ng calamansi extract from the Asian supermarket. And yun ang ginagamit namin. So, yan. Isprinkle lang ko lang siya ng konting calamansi. And then, halo ko lang. Yan. And, tikman natin. Bango. Guys, perfect ang dalawang to. Either for a regular night or kung may handaan kayo. Kaya sana masubukan nyo din siya at home very, very soon. So that's it for our video today guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating 2 recipes today and sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. And I just wanted to say thank you to our very good friend Ina for sharing her liempo recipe. Yes, she's the one who shared this secret liempo recipe to us and I had to ask her first before i-share ko sa inyo kasi talagang napakasarap niya guys. So, you can also follow Ina. She has a YouTube channel, Wondering Mom PH. So, for aspiring cabin, crew, people, or flight stewardess aspirants, you can follow her. She has great tips for you guys. So, yeah, Wondering Mom PH. So again guys, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking videos. And sana makita ko kayo ulit next time. And see you guys again. Bye!